Yes, let's now have a chance to discuss the method to split the last name in Excel by using formula. I know you might know some of other ways which are manual ways is either by using text to column formula, text to column approach, or flash fill approach. Just to remind you, for the use of flash fill and text to column, I think you may revise my previous videos. You may see them. I want to use formula to split the last name. I want Bush, Hussein, Arafat, Mandela, Gal, Nyerere, Gandhi, as well as Santos to be on its own separate. The approach will be as follows. We start with equal sign. Here, different from the first name, we said left because the surname, the last name is at the most right part, then we write right. This is the left part and this is the right part. In which text? In this cell. Here we are asked of the number of characters. For instance, with this name Bush, B-U-S-H equals to 4 characters. We start with right 4 characters. If we press enter, then Bush is come. But there's a challenge. If you see here, we'll see this challenge. Bush has been in its complete sense, but Hussein, see, has started at saying Arafat has skipped 2 letters. Mandela has skipped man, has started with Dela. Gal, fortunately, is correct, but with Nyerere, Rere. The reason is there's a fixed formula here which demands only 4 characters from the right in this cell. So this consistency has brought 4 characters in every surname. There's 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4 characters, 1, 2, 3, 4 characters. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4 characters. And bearing in mind that each name has got a certain amount of characters different from other names. Sometimes it might happen some of the names might have the same amount of characters, but it's not something which will be universal or uniform in all the cases. Now, how do we resolve it? The starting point is the demarcation of the first name and the surname. The demarcation is with this one is the space. Now, we have to devise a formula in which we'll be using the space as a criteria in this number of the characters. It should be generated within the text itself because each name has got the characters different from the name of someone else. Now, how do we do it? When we were finding the first name, let me remind you, it was left, and this cell, find space in this name. Then it's okay. What if we incorporate this formula in this cell? If we write here, find space in this name, press enter, it won't bring the correct answer properly. There are some have got correct, for instance, Nyerere, Machel, it's okay. The problem is when we are telling the formula to find space, the process of finding space starts from left to the right. If it would start from right to left, of course, each word, each name would have been in a correct sense. So this won't work here. Let's choose the other one. The solution, let's do as follows. Let's incorporate the other formula. Let's say len. Len is the short form of length of this word. So the total word has got 11 characters plus a space. Then after that, minus. Minus what? Minus the space from left. So find space in this word. So well, the formula is to find the total length, this word, minus the length of the word from first name to space. Press enter. Then we are told the remaining length of characters is 4. So this means if the total length minus the length of first name up to space, then the remaining character length is the length of surname. So these are the length of surname. So if we take it and incorporate here, we will get the exact surname. Now, to make it simple, let me repeat here. So we'll say, so longer we are in need of the surname, then write from right the cell. But with the number of characters, you have to do the internal calculations as follows. First, you have to find the total length of all the characters. Then you have to subtract the distance from first name to space. Find space in this word. Press enter. This is over with the surname. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the formula to extract the surname, the last name, in series of names where names are two, first name and surname. Now, get standby for other innovations. What if there are 3 names, 4 names, or more than 2 names? How will the formula be? Also get prepared for the formula to extract the middle name in case this name had 3 names.